Hey, it's Doug. We just got back from a cruise with some of the local Volkswagen owners to some of the breweries here around town. The idea was to support some of the local businesses. Personally, Mary and I don't drink that much, but we went to enjoy the Volkswagen community and get out of the house with our thing. So we took a little bit of video, so hope you enjoy.
Hey, my name's Jacob. I organize VW Cruise to support local brews. It's a beautiful day here in Boise, and we just got a few VW people here together to support our local breweries and have a good time together in spite of what's going on lately. Thanks.